In this video, we examine a scenario routinely faced by business users. We'll see the challenges they face, and we'll see how Exponam makes it easy to securely download, explore, and share large sets of data. Let's begin. I'm a manager at a trading firm. I've just received a transaction file. I may have been using a visualization tool and downloaded some of the detail. I may have extracted it from an internal system or a Spark cluster. It may have been sent to me from a partner company or an internal analyst. It's large by end user standards. It's 11 million rows of data. So it's been compressed into a zip archive. My first step is to decompress and to save the file. The uncompressed file, which we see here as a CSV file, is over 2 gigabytes in size. Now I want to open this file. I'll quickly discover that attempts to open it in Excel will fail. In fact, with this size file, Excel just sits here and doesn't do anything. I could then try to open the file, a blank file, and to import the data. Once again, I'll fail, as I can only put 1 million rows of data into a sheet. So now, depending upon my organization and my own level of savvy, I'll need to have IT provide an instance of a database, or I'll need to install and use Microsoft Access. I'll need to write SQL queries or use some business intelligence tool as my interface for the file. In many organizations, the simple act of accessing this data can take weeks. Now let's look at the same activity, but with a .big file instead. I've received a .big file. Again, it's either downloaded or sent to me. Notice the file size is only 44 meg. Compare that to the original zip, which was 200 megabytes. .big files are highly compressed. In this case, almost 5 times better than with other compression, and 50 times better than the uncompressed original file. Next, there is no decompression step. The file will remain on disk in this compressed state. To open the file, I simply double-click it. This encrypted file is accessed with a passphrase. It could also have been accessed by a public key. I've now opened this file in the Exponam Explorer. The Exponam Explorer, as you see, has the look and feel of a typical spreadsheet. Notice in the bottom left corner, I have over 11 million rows of data in this spreadsheet. I can drag to the end of the file and navigate wherever I wish. I can select a particular data element and I can filter on it. I've instantly filtered this file from the original 11 million rows of data to 297 rows. I could filter it again based on a different element. From the original 11 million rows of data, I've now isolated 72 rows of data that are of interest to me. I could also have filtered from the column headings, and I could sort the data in any ways that I wish. Once I found the subset of information I'm looking for, with a single click, I can open it in Excel. That's it. It's that simple for an end user to download tens or hundreds of millions of rows of data, to find what they want, and to put it in Excel where they want it. There's more. When I expand the properties, I can see where this data is from, who created it, and when. The file contents cannot be tampered with. There's no more wondering what a particular file contains or if it's been modified. I can see additional information about the file to help understand the contents, or terms of use, or marketing information, or information from any type of document. Let's open another file. Notice that this file has multiple sheets of data. Exponam.big files can contain an unlimited number of sheets. In this case, we have general COVID information at a global level, and then it drills down to more and more granular detail. Alternately, .big files could contain a snapshot of an entire relational database. Users have other options on how they access .big files. They could access them via JDBC connection or API. So in conclusion, we've seen that for sharing and exploring data, .big files are highly compressed, secure, easy to download, easy to explore, and used with a simple click to move data to Excel. .big files eliminate worries of data hygiene and origin. Thank you for watching this video.